Hello and welcome to Board Game Ninja. The land is divided into fiefdoms and you are one of the lords or ladies. Will you protect your villagers, build a thriving economy, wage war or devote yourself to the church? Over 16 rounds you collect coins, rubies and diamonds by building estates in your fiefdom. The richest player at the end of the game is the winner. Middle Ages is for 2 to 5 players, takes around 30 minutes to play and is suitable for nobles aged 10 and up. A game with 5 players takes more time than with 2. Each player gets a fiefdom board and a lord and a scout in the same color. Divide the plot tiles into 2 piles, one with blue backs and one with orange backs. Stack them face down beside the play area. There are 8 different types of plot tile matching the 8 estates on your fiefdom board. Create a supply of plot tokens, extra coin tokens, event cards and money. Money comes in values of 1, 5, 10 and 50. Shuffle both stacks of plot tiles. Always use the blue tiles first before moving to the orange ones. Draw as many plot tiles as there are players plus 1 extra and place them in a row. Arrange them in numerical order from low to high and then flip them face up. Repeat this 3 more times until your play area looks like this. Shuffle the event cards and draw 4 face up below the bottom row. The effect on the card is triggered at the end of rounds 4, 8, 12 and 16. Determine player order by drawing the scout pieces one at a time. In that order, each player places their lord on an empty plot tile in the top row. You're ready to begin. Discard the empty plot tile in the current row. Turn order is determined by the positions of the lords from left to right. Each player moves their lords to an empty plot tile in the next row. When the lords are on the bottom row, they move to the top row. Take the tile your lord just vacated and place it in the matching estate column on your fiefdom. Then perform the estate's effect, followed by receiving income for that estate. Once all the lords have moved down, refill the empty row with new tiles from the piles using the blue ones first. Arrange the new tiles from low to high before flipping them face up. At the end of the 4th, 8th, 12th and 16th round, the effect on the leftmost open event card is applied. For example, this card gives each player 1 coin for every farmer on their fiefdom. This one forces each player to discard a rampart, if they have one, to their cemetery. We will explain these actions in the next segment. Flip the used event card to show its effect has been resolved. Each estate has its own effect. Fields. Gain 1 coin for each farmer on all the plot tiles in your fiefdom. Mill. Each player with fewer mill tiles than you must pay you 2 coins. Village. Take a plot tile from your cemetery and place it in your fiefdom without activating its effect. Rampart. Place your scout on any row except the one with your lord. Other players may not place their lord there. This reserves that plot for later. Take your scout back when you place your lord in that row, even if you decide not to use your scout. Market. Gain 1 coin for each chest on the plot tiles in your fiefdom. Barracks. War is coming. Every player with fewer ramparts than you have barracks loses their leftmost tile to the cemetery and must give you 2 coins. Church. Place an extra coin token on any one estate. Each estate can only hold 1 extra coin token. From now on, whenever you receive income from that estate, you gain 1 extra coin. Palace. Choose a plot token and place it in the space under an estate. The symbol must differ from those already printed on that estate. This grants you extra income from that estate. The income rules are similar for all estates. You gain coins for one or more plot tiles that match the symbol of the estate. For example, you earn 2 coins for each field or rampart when placing a rampart. If you have placed a coin token from the church on the rampart, you gain 3 coins instead. Important, at the end of the game you lose 10 gold coins for each estate that does not have at least 1 plot tile. So cover all your bases. The game ends after the 16th round. Don't forget to apply the effect of the final event card. The player with the most coins wins the game. These were the rules for Middle Ages. Will you become the wealthiest lord or lady in the kingdom? Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel if you like this video, and we'll see you for the next one. Bye!